Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where today we have a 2016 Nautique Super Air G25 for sale. This 25-foot boat is 8.5 feet wide. It's powered by the 6.2-liter PCM XR7 inboard engine, and it's only got 134 engine hours on it, so there's lots of life left to enjoy on this boat. Here at the helm, you have your tilt steering wheel and a low-profile glove box with a touchscreen display. You've got your wake surf, wake skate, ski, and wakeboard options right there at the helm. Nice rear view mirror and the helm command rotary dial, so you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel or off the dash to navigate through your screen. It's all right at your fingertips, safe and ergonomic. There are 2 heaters on this boat, as well as a pocket bow door that slides, so you can extend your boating season into the late, chillier evenings towards the end of summer, or get started right away in the spring and not be too cold to enjoy some water sports. In the bow, you have a convertible filler cushion. You can take that out for more legroom, flip it around and take out the center cushion to have a full pass-through, or flip it over and have a total playpen with some bow armrests. This boat has a lot on board to see, including a couple of built-in cooler spaces, a rear-facing stadium seating situation with 2 flip-up backrests on the port and starboard side. Come check it out at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota. We'd love to take you and your family for a test drive so you can find your next dream boat for summer.